Today we're 3D printing a print in place flying squirrel. So this is the Flexi Sugar Glider by user Philly Fu, and you'll find a link in the description below to free files if you want to give this a go yourself. And it is extremely articulated with an incredible design for the moving parts, looks sensational, feels awesome, and is a very nice overall design. This user has a whole bunch more stuff you can check out as well, including one that's a lot bigger. But here she is on the print bed, and you'll notice when we go underneath, that's where the magic is happening, because it has a different print in place design from a lot of stuff I've seen before, because it has these intricate overall movement parts, which are way more intricate underneath than they are on top, and it looks incredible. It means that it moves really, really good, and it just looks, I think, very, very nice. So that is awesome. If you have a multicolor 3D printer, there's also a version where you can do it in multiple colors, so you can get a really nice finish. And yeah, that is our flying squirrel. She's absolutely gorgeous.